Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C71 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it is 1 hour and 6 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the PUBG and then the Chrome settings, etc. I've got also 7 unlocks and 22 notifications received. So to check some further details, you can either tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time the time you've spent on the screen in specific days of the week, and under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using with the time you've spent on them. You can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened, and the second way is to tap directly on the app, so for example Chrome or the settings here. So let's tap on it, and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. You can change the screen time again to notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.